Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. If you have a long post or page in your website with lots of information and you want to organize it, then this video is for you. And if you don't have a nice filtration system in your long post or page, then it is very frustrating for your users. So let's see how we can easily create a nice filtration system in your WordPress Gutenberg block editor, and let's see how it works. To create this filtration system, we'll use content filter block provided by Ultimate Blocks. So let's get it started. First of all, we need to get into WordPress dashboard and then install Ultimate Blocks. So let's get into it. First, go to plugin and then go to add plugin and search here just Ultimate Blocks. See here the first plugin is Ultimate Blocks. You need to install it and activate it. I've already installed and activated, so I don't need it to do it again. Okay, we've installed the plugin successfully, and now let's get into a post and let's see how it works. So go to a new post. Okay, first here in this post we'll show you only the structure, and then on we'll show you a completed post created by content filter block, so that we don't need it to do it again from scratch. So let's get into it. First, let's see how it works structurally. Just type slash or click on plus, search for content filter block. Here's the content filter block. Click on it, and this is very clean. First of all, just you need to add a category. You have to fill up your category name, like the price or the availability, anything. After writing category name, you can click on here, click on plus, and then you can name the filter, and then another filter, and then another filter. You can add as much filter as you want. You can also delete a filter by clicking on this delete icon. And see here in this filtration system, you can allow multiple selections, like your user can select multiple categories. This is self-explanatory, like add new category, you can add another category and add new content. This is the fun part. Here you will add your contents. You can add any kind of block, like paragraph, image blocks. Say you can upload image, you can write up text and anything. So this is the basic structure of content filter block. Let's see it practically in a edited post. Okay, see, it is a long post of many kind of tools, and here two categories of filters are added. So writing, editing, productivity, image editing, headline. Okay, here multiple selection are not allowed, and there are another category which is basically pricing category, and after the creation of filter categories, then contents are added. So one really nice thing I want to show you here. Remember one thing, that we have already created the content filters. So now let's delete them and let's add them again. Just click on plus here, and see here you will have your all created filters in here. So let's click on it, like writing, and then regarding pricing, is it free, paid? Yeah, is free, paid and premium. So let's click on it. So here my point is, you can create as much filters as you like, and then later on you can assign them in different parts of your post. So let's see how this filter works. Just preview in new tab. Okay, the initial view is something like this, and you can customize the style as well. So maybe this could come out in a new video. So yeah, just click on writing. See, only writing related post. Just uncheck it and see, here's the all post. Click on the paid, only paid posts are showing. Click on free, only free posts are showing. So this filtration system, I hope it will work for you in different purposes. So that's all for today. Please comment below if you have any queries regarding content filter block, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.